Hello guys, how's it going? This is Integrity First Roofing. We are currently at 1461 Dillard Heights, located in Bethlehem, Georgia. As you can see right here, guys, we happen to have quite a wind damage pretty much scattered throughout this whole entire roof. As you can see right there, guys, as I go from left to right, pretty much going throughout the entire roof, guys. As you can see right here, we're gonna go ahead and do a repair test video. We'll go ahead and use this shingle as an example. As you can see, we go from the left to the right side. No significant damages. Here's a picture of it before. Here we're gonna go ahead and proceed, guys. Right here on this shingle, we're gonna go ahead and get that snake tool. Right here, guys, we'll go ahead and snap that picture of the metal process. Here we'll go ahead and get started with this repair test video. Here we're gonna go ahead and put this shingle in. Guys, all we're doing is just simply lifting that shingle enough to where we can fit that snake tool in now. Just simply hammer down. As you guys can see that right there. Very simple and easy, guys. Anybody that knows how to do it, it's very quick. Just lift up, hit it once more to secure that in place. Granules with the impact on the snake tool and hammer. You can definitely hear those granules as we go throughout the whole roof. Here we're gonna go ahead, guys, show you the end results. As you can see right here, very noticeable right away, guys. Gotta have to say this repair test has failed.